This is what happens when you leave the heat off in a house in like sub-freezing conditions in northeastern Ohio. This water came all the way out the house to the street, all the way down the street and froze up. Now let's go in the house and see. Okay, we can hear the water running as we head down the stairs into the basement. Okay, somewhere up above, Jesus, we found the source of a leak. But it's flooded everything down here. It's probably 2 inches of water in the house. So we find the shut-off valve and shut it off. Just find the hot water tank, hopefully it'll be near it. Okay, here goes another leak over here. Hey, Chef, thanks a ton, man. I found that shit right at the front, like you said. Appreciate it, my dude.